ever get a chance to sit with a billionaire, what would you ask them? I know what you'd ask. You would ask, what exactly did they do in your 20s that made them billionaires? I got that answer from top 1% people because I got that opportunity to connect with top 1% founders, billionaires, both virtually and in person. And I've put together every single thing that I have learned from them in bits and pieces, and I've structured all of those traits, lessons you can say, in 6 pointers that can completely change how you look at your 20s and can help you become a millionaire in your future. The very first is treat your career as a portfolio, not a ladder. One billionaire told me, don't chase promotions, chase experiences. Don't climb ladders. Build the portfolios. Here is a lesson. The modern career isn't linear. Say yes to new industries, projects, or skills that intrigue you. Focus on transferable skills rather than status or salary. Exit paths that matter less than learning paths. Second, build your financial foundations early. So one of my mentor who has built companies worth billions once said, your money decisions in your 20s don't feel big, but they literally define your life for next 40 years. The key point I learned, understanding compound interest early, differentiating between good debt and bad debt, track where my money actually goes, and I really mean it. I'm saying this from my personal experience. The day you will actually start understanding how money works, how income works, how the game of wealth is played, how wealth is created, what are assets, liabilities, you'll be completely shocked why no one teaches you all these things in school. I really wish किसी ने तो सिखाया होता. Third, build relationship, not just network. I have seen company founders doing this very often, no matter how big the people are. So I uploaded one of my video on YouTube and I updated a status about it. So one of the company founder checked it out, and it is India's leading company. That person, that founder, checked out my video and messaged me that the delivery and the confidence in the video is amazing. It took me some time to process it. I was like, why someone took out time? Now you might feel like कि हो सकता है वो बिना वीडियो देखे ही कमेंट करा हो या फीडबैक शेयर किया क्योंकि बहुत जेनरिक सा फीडबैक था. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आई माई सेल्फ फेल्ट दैट वाज अ वीडियो इन विच आई वॉज द मोस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट अभी तक मैंने जितने वीडियोज़ भी बनाए हैं. So that made sense that all the company founders, or let's say top 1% people, they have this one thing in common. They focus on building long-term relationships. One more incident I'll share. The company where I used to work before, it has been 2 years since I have quit that job and I'm into another job. The MD still wishes me on my birthday. Like, why MD would take out time to write a happy birthday wish? Like, how does this even make sense? Why would someone do it? But yes, this is one thing that I have seen in all the people who are in the top 1%. There are multiple examples, but I hope these examples give you what I'm trying to say. And I've learned this very late in my life. Building relationships is far more important than creating a network. Or let's put it in better way, creating connections is more important than contacts. Here is the billionaire approved approach toward this. Be genuinely interested in people, give first, share insights, help them solve a problem, or celebrate their wins. Think long term, not transactional. When you'll understand this word, the transactional, it will make the difference. For this, design your life intentionally. So I was having conversation with one of the company founder and he told me most of the people in today's society don't design their life, they just copy someone else's blueprint. Things have changed so far, but still there are so many, a larger percentage of people who still copy the blueprint of others, and in most of the cases those copied blueprints never give you happiness. Here are the frameworks how you can approach it. Ask yourself, if I start from scratch today, would I choose this path? Identify your priorities: career, health, relationships, and freedom. Align money and resources to support this life, not society's default. Next comes, have a bias towards action. I remember one of the conversation that I had with someone, and that conversation made me remind that in our 20s we spend most of our time planning things. We plan perfect side hustles, we plan best workouts, we plan and just plan, but rarely execute. I wasted 3 months making my videos perfect. I failed to understand that it's about the attempts, the multiple attempts I give, the more sharper or the more quality content it will become. So it is about attempts. I was trying to make my first video perfect, which is not possible. Your first are always awful. They are never the best. But to create your best, you need to get started with that awful. Here is a framework to approach it. Decide, pick one thing and commit. Start imperfectly. You learn as you go. Iterate constantly. Adjust based on results, not fears. Sixth and the last one. Enjoy the journey. Your 20s aren't rehearsal, they are life. Don't outsource happiness to milestones. Listen that again. Don't outsource happiness to milestones. I've done this in my life, but since the day I realized this, I have started living my life, being more present, taking my Sunday seriously, doing it for myself, for my future self, be it the health aspect of my life, or be it the happiness, or anything or everything that matters to me, my loved ones, and my future self. I never outsource my happiness for the future me, for any milestone. I celebrate every moment. Here is a lesson that you can learn here. Happiness isn't waiting for the next promotion, the next salary jump, or the next job. It's in random Tuesday nights with friends, spontaneous trips, and conversations that go till 3 a.m. Remember, your 20s should be spent on becoming someone you can take a bet on. That is yourself. Your 20s are never about rushing. They are about building the foundations that live you a life with no regrets. So these are the 6 things that you can learn from billionaires, replicate it in your life. Tell me in the comments which one you are not following until now, or which one you are going to get started with. If you have watched till here, that shows how seriously you are about growth in your career, because honestly, you would have jumped onto any other video that was recommended below this video, but you chose to stay till the very end. And truly, this means a lot for me. I want you to help me with 2 things. First, let me know in comments which exact step you are going to get started with first. Second, I want you to let me know in comments what changes and add-ons I can do in my videos to make it even more valuable for you, because your feedback really shapes what I create next. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take action, stay consistent, and keep growing.